Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant in-app notifications for group invitations on LinkedIn, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable these notifications on your PC using the latest LinkedIn update. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control everything from your privacy preferences to your notification settings. Next, on the left-hand side, find and click on the Notifications tab. This section is where you manage all the alerts LinkedIn sends you, including those from groups. Now, scroll down until you see the Groups section. Click on it to expand more options. Here, you'll find several categories, but we're focusing on group invitations. Click on the arrow next to Group Invitations to access its specific settings. You'll see toggles for different types of notifications, including in-app notifications. To stop receiving pop-ups and alerts within LinkedIn for group invitations, simply switch off the toggle for in-app notifications. Once you do this, LinkedIn will no longer send you in-app alerts every time you receive a group invitation. That's it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for group invitations on LinkedIn. You can always return to these settings if you want to make further adjustments or re-enable notifications in the future. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free LinkedIn experience.